everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 502 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Tetris X Ipsy Game On eyeshadow palette that I just got in my Ipsy June Glam Bag Plus box. So if you want to see my unboxing of that, I will link that video down below. But so this looks like such a beautiful, fun palette for the summertime. So you get 6 different fun, bright shades that are really big. Like, these are big pans. And so this is in collaboration with the game Tetris, which is having their 35th year anniversary. And what's interesting to me is that this is just from Ipsy. It's not like a known eyeshadow makeup brand that created this palette. So Ipsy made the palette. But so I did already go ahead and swatch it, and it does not seem that bad at all. So here are the swatches. The only one you can see, this blue here, is the one that I feel like did not swatch very beautifully, because in the pan it looks like such a beautiful deep royal blue shade. But then on my hand, I tried to get it to be that like full deep midnight blue, but it's not swatching quite as pigmented as it looks here. It doesn't really look the same, but all of the other colors swatched very nicely. All right, but let's go ahead and create an eyeshadow look from these. I am just going to prime my eyelids right now using the Urban Decay primer potion. This way I'm giving these eyeshadows a fair chance of performing their best. And if you want to see my review on this eyeshadow primer, I will link that video down below. And so just first off, I'm going to take this light peach shade called Stack It Up and apply that all over the lids to set that primer and to get my eyelids ready for shadow so that they can blend easier. And applying this with my finger is working so well, quick and easy. This is a great matching my skin tone type of shade if I didn't want to wear any color on my eyelid, but I just kind of wanted to cancel out discoloration. This is a color that I could just quickly throw onto my eyelids. So I love that. I guess I'll go for this kind of orangey yellow shade in the crease because it's another matte shade. Definitely not the typical shade that I would choose for my crease, but that does not mean that it's not a good shade to use. But wow, that right away is going on nice and bright and blending out really easily. I really am impressed by the formula of this. This is seriously such a fun color that I don't think I've ever really worn on my eyes before, because it is kind of like an intimidating, like mac and cheese yellow shade. Okay, this sparkly green shade called Game Night is just really speaking to me. So I'm going to take that onto my finger and press this into the outer corner. Oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to do half of the eyelid with this color. So pretty, such great pigment, applies so nicely with the finger. And now I'm trying to decide between this shimmery pink shade and this shimmery pink shade. This one's a little bit more glittery. Okay, I'm gonna go with the more glittery one and put that on the inner half of my eyelid. This is so beautifully foiled. I would say this is very similar formula to that green shade, which is just like applying so well with my finger, showing up with great pigment. Ooh. I'm actually really liking how these two, the green and the pink, look kind of ombre together. So now just fixing that crease a little bit. And you know what? I'm going to take this shimmery pink called Game Day and add that into the crease. Yeah, that looks better because it kind of tones down the, the mac and cheese yellow so that it looks a little bit more cohesive with the green and pink. But this way we do still have some of that yellow showing up, but it's not too intense. I feel like that looks so fun. Okay, and then that way I'm using all of the colors. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Game Over blue shade and apply that to the lower lash line. Wow, somehow I feel like this pop of blue actually really pulls the look together. Okay, so here is the finished look. I think it is so fun and colorful, and I'm really happy with how all of these shades ended up performing. And there are seriously so many fun combinations to be made from this, and I just used all the colors to try them all out and just kind of have fun with it. But you could create some more toned down looks, more casual looks from these shades as well. And if you've used this palette before, let me know in the comments down below what kind of looks you've created, what color combinations you've tried out that are your favorites, and then I can get some recommendations for when I'm doing more looks from this palette. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.